Hi, this is John Scalley. The reason for this video is that I have a lot of policyholders that call me and they have difficulty reading the declarations and their policy. So the declaration that you get from your insurance company for your car insurance is just an abbreviated description of what your overall policy is. I would always encourage people to read their entire policy. I know it's not an easy read, but that's why you have an agent. For when you read it and you have questions, you can call and we can give you plain English on what the policy reads. So this is the first page of the policy declaration, and I'm going to be going through all the pages of the policy declaration to kind of point out, what you should look for on your policy. And this is a nationwide insurance policy. However, all the other insurance companies are going to be very similar. So here we go. It's the first off, you're going to read the policy period, and it's going to show you the 6-month policy period, start, end date. And then it's going to show you what's included, who to call if you have any questions. And down bottom, there are information about billing, information about claims, and how to reach us. The next page of your declaration this is for disclaimers, stuff that legally an insurance company has to give you. Moving on to the third page, it starts to describe a little bit about the details of the vehicle. Again, it'll have the policy dates. It'll then go into, the changes. It'll show here who your current insurance company is, and then the policy changes. So on this policy, they had an accident over 3 years ago, so that surcharge had been removed, and they added an accident-free discount. It'll show the vehicles and the cost of those vehicles for the insurance. And then it'll show the discounts. This is going to be on another video. I'm going to go through what each of these discounts are and how it saves you money. Moving on is a more detailed section of each of the vehicles. You have the Honda Pilot, has the bodily injury liability, property damage liability, medical payments, uninsured motor vehicle coverage, and then it has your comprehensive and collision and the deductibles that are sent. This actually reads with OEM. That's your original equipment from the manufacturer. So if the Honda Pilot or the Mercedes-Benz is involved in an accident, the insurance company has to put original equipment from that manufacturer onto the vehicle when it's repaired. So continuing on, the Mercedes has, the same exact coverage as the Honda Pilot. Continuing on to the next page, you will see, of course, the deductibles. And then down here, it's the policy level. So it has emergency roadside service, plus. And then it shows you a little bit more about, the coverage that you have for that. And on the last page, these are the details that, each of these policy forms. This is that thick packet that you get when you first sign up, or if you ask for it, it can be mailed to you again. This is the 60 to 90 page policy, or all these policy forms. So this is your binding contract. Your insurance policy is a binding contract. This is what you have with the insurance companies. I'm going to do some follow-up videos on what these coverages are and how they protect you, and also about the discounts that you could have to drive the cost of your insurance policy down. So I hope you liked the video. Please like it, please share it, and if you have questions, just call the office. Thank you very much.